right. How are you guys? How is everybody doing? How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? I don't know if I like my setup, my layout anymore. So I am going to have to look some bumps. All right, I dig this one. Yes, this is going to be the one. So I'm going to have the S&P 500 here, and the gold, no, the Japanese yen, and the DXY down. I dig it. This is the one. But I want the DXY here because I am OCD with having the DXY. Oh shit. DXY first. Hello, Orlando, my friend. How are you? Ruan, the trader from South Africa. How are you, mate? To do such quality trading, you need to be a little crazy. I don't understand what you mean. I hope it's all in good fun. And yes, I am crazy. I am a fucking pirate. Today we got that. All right, we have some couple. Well, I do have a couple of things brewing. On the Japanese yen side, there was no pullbacks for me to get involved. I'm looking for pullbacks on the US dollar bill, yo, to get in short. Shorts are in play. Now, let me show you what I'm digging here. Digging, ding, goom. So, now, I'm going to go to the 3-minute chart on the DXY. Break of the structure here. Another break of the structure. Let me grab my correct tools. Another break of the structure here on the DXY. So this is the protected high I'm looking at. Looking at possible pullbacks towards this massive order block. OB shit. Now, I'm not placing any US dollars trades just yet. Just yet. USD. Right, so something like this. That now, not looking at I'm not looking for deep pullbacks, friends. This is a very strong high, right? If this high breaks, I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to look for shorts anymore. So this is the structure high right here, right now, right here, right now. That is the fucking structure high. So something like this, I dig it. Right? Let's see something like this. Boom. For continuations. Now, having said that, having said that, having said that, um, it's good, not the bad way. Yeah, thank you for everything, by the way. Colin, yeah, you're welcome, mate. If you're a VIP, you're paying for it, so we're good. We're good. Now, Euro USD looking, if I'm looking for US dollar shorts, I will be looking for Euro USD longs, GBP USD longs. Do we have um, any news coming out? I haven't checked the Forex calendar. And I'm not playing music anymore in my shows because YouTube was demonetizing us. Even though this channel is not being monetized at the moment, you know, apparently Robbie Williams hates me because we every time I use I just wanna feel in my shows, we got a fucking email from Robbie Williams. All right, cool. So, just have a look at this. Very strong protected low here. I am going to place a 1 minute long on, here's my point of interest on the Euro USD. Very good, my friends. We do have some liquidity building up here. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Possibly here, my target's going to be above. Let's have a look. I'm gonna go to the 15-minute chart. This is where I dig, finding for my target. This liquidity is no longer, no more. Maybe here we do have a 15-minute FBG. I dig this 15-minute. Oh, it has been mitigated. Um, Spot on short here. Boom, at this breaker. This is a 15-minute breaker. Here's where my possible targets are going to be. 3-minute chart again. Um, yep, 1-minute chart. I'm going to place this just a second. I don't know if I'm liking this. Yes, I'm liking this. I'm gonna do. There you go. Much better. So here's my setup. Long on the Euro US dollar. Now no liquidity here, but I dig it. All right, here's where I'll place it. Right at this 1 minute order block, right here. So at the Asian session highs is where I am going to place my long position here. Very good. I'm gonna go like I always do with the wide stop loss, targeting these highs here. That 15-minute, you know, breaker block. Yep, that's my trade. Can you dig it? I can dig it. Hey, one of your brand VIP. Hello, welcome to the fucking team. So yesterday, I had a power outage. You know, I don't live in the city. I live, you know, in a very woodsy area, and at midnight, you know, the power went off. Turns out a tree, you know, fell down and, you know, took with him a couple of lighting posts or electricity posts, right? So I didn't have any power during the entire day, so no signals yesterday. Sorry, friends. Hey, Orlando, thanks for your amazing performance with us. Amazing. Hey, you know what? Why don't you do me a fucking favor right now? Now that you mentioned that you dig my performance, please go here. I mean, it's going to take you 2 minutes, and give me a review. Give me a review. Yeah, that's GBP USD. I'm sorry. Thank you, Felicia, the Great. Really? Are you really Felicia the Great, or or do you just like Felicia the Great? Go give me a review. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. Yeah, I mean, the reason that I haven't sent any signals here on the free group is because, you know, the past couple of weeks were very, very, very free signal heavy for the free group. So, you know, there are people that pay for this. There you go. I'm going to place this. Go! All the GBP USD. All the GBP USD. So here's that trade. I'm going to 25.48. That's what? Let's call it 16 pips. So one lot would be 160. This is a challenge account. One lot would be 160. So two lots would be 223 lots. I'll do three lots. I'll do three lots. Here as a buy limit. Three lots. 25, 64, 5. 125, 64, 5. This looks very nice. 25, 25, 49, 5. 1, 25, 49, 5. Sending this to the VIPs. God damn. All right, so there you go. Shit, I'm gonna place this. So how much am I risking? 450. I need to place it on the other challenge account. God damn it. Yes. All right, so 24, 20, 25, 645. I am going to do a 425, 645. Shit, buy limit 4, 1.25, 645, and fuck. There you go. I just want to get triggered. And 1.24, 24 what? I won't deal. 24, 25, 4? No, 20, 25, 4, 95. 25, 4, 25, 4, 95. All right. Is it this? Yes, it is. Now, risking how much here? 600. That's fine. New VIP trade. GBP USD. That's a buy limit. Buy limit, man. Buy limit. Buy limit. Oh boy. Hold on. Everything was in caps. VIP trade. GBP USD. It's a buy limit. Then we're going to go and have a look at US equities now that this is placed. Stop loss is at this level. And targets, my friends, are going to be where? 2650. Hola. 1.2650. 126.50. So this is, let me see the risk to reward ratio. Ooh. It's a 6R. That's good. 6R. If we can get filled, right. Oh, look at the DXY just hitting that bearish auto block. Hopefully we can get filled here on our OB. Risk 0.60%, which is okay, a-okay. Now we have this, so GBP USD is green because I have an order. All right, so GBP USD, this is my play on the DXY. I don't know if I kind of, yeah, I do like it. So I have a feeling GJ will reverse with US Open. I don't trade GJ on the US session, mate. Yeah, I don't do that, but let's have a look. It feels an imbalance in the daily chart, and I think it overextended. Might be. Let's have a look. Review is out. Thank you, Eric. Is there a way you can use buy limit in mobile MT, or I have to be in PC? No, it's you can do it. Let me show you. Let me show you. I am going to put on my big ass camera because right this. So on mobile, let me show you. Here's the MT5, right? Here's the MT5. You go to the chart right here, and you click this round fucking thing. There you go. And you have a buy limit, or you can have here a sell stop. And you click here until you have the order that you want. That's how you do it on mobile. Oh, mobile? Huh, come on, I want to get filled GBP USD. Yeah. Nice black dog. Where's my black dog? Bimba. You saw my black dog? Yeah, she's a beautiful rescue dog. All right, so here's the 2650, right? Come on, baby. Let's get filled. 2650 on the other challenge account. So the reason I have two challenge accounts is 2650 because 1.2650. I'm going to go 3 lots long with this account now. Don't follow me. 25,495. Don't follow me, mates. This is not a signal. 124. Wow. 1.24. 25. 495. And 126.50. Oh, 50. I'm gonna buy the market here and delete this one. So the reason that I have two challenge accounts is because on Black Friday, this um, funding firm had a Black Friday offer, so I took it. It was a pretty nice offer. They refunded the fee. There was a big ass discount, so I took it. So now I have two. This one is running at the new one. I'm up 2.3%, and the old one is up 7.8%. So everything is cozy good. Right. So the reason that I took a at market long is because this OB was mitigated. So very possibly we can get this and then the move. But I did want to get long in one of my accounts. It's not a signal. The signal is the buy limit. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. What trade has been taken? No trade on gold. No. Nope. Uh-huh. No trades in gold, mate. So S&P 500. So that was a big rally on U.S. equities. We are 5 minutes away until the casino opens. Still looking for longs on the big imbalance here on I'm gonna grab it all. You don't do that, but this is a big imbalance. I'm gonna grab it all on the on the US 30. I'm actually just going to grab this one. So this is a 3-minute chart. Let me see the 5-minute chart. I mean, the 5-minute chart just shows you this big one here. So that's why I always go to the 3-minute chart, right, for my entries. And there you go. Here's that imbalance that I'm looking for on the year 30. So here should be where I want to go long. So all of this is just liquidity, and this pullback would be very, very fucking aggressive. So let's wait for the open. Can you explain what imbalances blocks mean? Yeah, sure. After what? Yeah, I always get that question. Why not short it to on the pullback? Because I don't know, and no one knows if it's going to happen. Oh boy, a few ticks from getting triggered long on the GBP USD, but I got in myself long on that other challenge account, so we good. Well, I'm good, not you. Right. So sometimes, so the question, if I'm expecting, so let me show you the question because it is a good question. Even though I answer this question almost every single day, it doesn't matter because it's an important question in my opinion. So the question is, if I'm expecting price to come down towards my buy zone, why wouldn't I short it from here and make money on both sides of the market. Now, the main reason is because this is a game about fucking probabilities, right? This is a game about probabilities, and um, this is a game about probabilities, right? And this is a game about finding your edge, right? So, this is a game about math and probabilities and a game about finding your edge. So there's absolutely no reason or there's absolutely no setup for me to to go short here, right? So that means that it's impossible for me to calculate the average win ratio of this move, this short position, which means that it is impossible for me to apply a correct risk to this. Which means that because I can't calculate the math behind the trade, and because there's no setup, this particular trade, short on this spike, will, on a vacuum in the long term, lose money. On the other hand, waiting for the pullback, getting triggered long, going long, I have absolutely everything behind that shows me that it's a profitable trade. So that's the main difference, mate. Also, we're here to make money, and if you say, I mean, but you can place your stop losses here, and it would be a very small loss. Small losses are add up, you know, and they're very big leaks. You know, people don't realize this. You know, losing a few pips here, a few pips there, a few pips here, and a few pips there. That's a massive leak in your trading. A massive leak. Why? Because um, those small losses add up, and because you have trained your brain not to look at them, you know, as hurting your P&L, you're always going to keep them, you know, keep making that mistake, losing a few pips here, a few pips there, which overall, you know, is going to fuck your entire, you know, profitability if you're profitable, right? So instead of doing that, why don't you, you know, go through your trades and look for leaks because the biggest leaks can sink the smallest fucking ships. Right, the market just opened. The market just opened. I am long the GBP USD. Very nice trade. Sorry for the VIPs that didn't get triggered, but you know, well, it is what it is. The order block is the order block. Maybe we're going to get triggered with the VIPs. I don't know. Who the fuck knows? Let's look for that particular possible expansion move. What? I don't know what I said. Gold. Yeah, so gold. Oh, eh. Possible longs in gold. I would love. But I don't have a setup. That's the thing, matey. Matey. Yeah, I don't have a fucking setup. So no trades for me in gold. If there's no setups, I shall not trade. I'm going to wait for that possible move on the Dow. I'm going to hold on. Let me just delete all the alerts. Yeah. So I took an Ethereum long a couple of days ago. Well, that was a great trade. I'm going to place an alert here at that liquidity area just to get me alerted on that possible pullback on the US 30. Let's have a look at the pound yen. So that's on, you know, well, I closed my swing trade on the pound yen short at about 250 pips here or 150 pips, and I missed on another 300, you know. That's fine. You're never going to catch the entire move. Ethereum. So the long that I took in Ethereum was here. This was a pretty nice setup. I'm gonna quickly show you what I did here. Again, same fucking thing. Sweep of the highs, last sweep of the lows, market structure shift, pull back towards imbalance, took out everything here at the highs. That's I mean, it's the same thing, same fucking thing. Just find out the string structure highs and lows, and you'll be all right. Right? Train your eyes to find those string high structures, string highs and low structures. So maybe we're going to get that pullback. I don't know. In the GBP USD, haven't deleted that order. Great explanation. Got it. Yeah. So, um, Gulda, no, there's nothing going on, right? Other than this right here. You know what? I shall place. I'm going to start doing this. I mean, and this is not because of me, it's because of you mainly. Let me just find it. I don't know. Uh-huh. I don't have it. I need, arrow down here. So here's that OB. Let's see. Can you dig it? All right, let's continue BTC. Possible shorts in Bitcoin and Ethereum, maybe, but not Ethereum, but Bitcoin. Let's see. You know, it's a very treachery market, this Bitcoin, bear. Hmm. Meshari, you need to change from market to limit in the middle of the screen. After you press in right. Oh, all right. It's not for me. Yes, that. All right, so I'm short the DXY, I'm short the US dollar. Nothing really going on. So structure low. I don't know. Let's have a look at the Dow. Where are you, Dow? Here you are. Mm. Well, goddamn, I don't know. I don't trust the Dow. I mean, this is a market that I really don't fucking trust. But I am going to possibly look at action where, where, here, somewhere in this vicinity. But I no, you know what? I am not going to look for the Dow because there is absolutely no. This is not a this is not a sweep of the Asian session lows. This is a true break of the structure. There is no, true direction in this market. So I'm not going to. What about the US dollar Swiss franc buy? I don't trade the Swiss franc, and I don't look at markets that I don't trade. All right, so I guess that'll be it for me, guys. There's nothing too much going on. If you're a VIP, wait for me to. Oh, maybe we're going to get triggered. Maybe not. I don't know. So wait for me to, you know, to signal you what to do here on this market. Right? Oh shit! I didn't put the buy stop. All right. No, buy limit. All right. Thank you. How do you know trade blocks that work? I don't. There's no such thing as trade blocks. You mean order blocks? You know what? I'm going to do an educational session, possibly by the end of the year. Um, these are not my concepts. These are, ICT concepts. I didn't invent this, and I don't brag about having invented this because I didn't. There's free information all over. I just took it and made it my own, right? I managed to make, um, I took what makes sense for me and made it my own, right? But this is all free information, right? But I'm not gonna go through that because you need to do your own fucking homework, right? It's as simple as that. All right. So thank you again for joining me. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hold on. Mm, USD, USD. Okay, you know what? I'm not going anywhere. Why don't we stay here? I'm gonna go get. I know I do have some coffee here. I do have some coffee. Coffee. I made my girls some coffee, and because I was still asleep, I um what I'm going to do, I'm going to I'm going to send the chart here to my VIPs about what I'm doing here on the 1 minute chart. The short explanation about this bullish OB because I haven't had the chance to do that. So why don't we do that, right? Bullish OB, structure low. I'm gonna record this actually. Hey, you VIPs, how are you? How are you, mates? So, I have a buy limit on the GBP USD. Let me show you what I am looking at. So, this is the DXY US dollar currency index, very bearish for the day. The bias is bearish for the day. So, basically, what I'm doing here, I'm trying to get in on the trend. When I placed my buy limit order, price was trading here on the DXY. I'm looking to get involved here at the mitigation of this big ass order block. This is a breaker block. And on the GBP USD side, on the 1 minute chart, I'm looking at the mitigation of this bullish order block. This is equal lows if you notice here. We haven't missed anything just yet. These are equal lows, meaning that this is liquidity that might get swept before the actual move to the upside. So let's wait and see what happens. We don't have any news coming out, and my target on the 50-minute chart, making it for a 6.5R, or at this breaker block here that was already mitigated, but this is an amazing trade. So possibly we'll be taking some off here at the highs, but that is if we get triggered. So let's keep rocking this, and yeah, I'll keep you posted. All right, so I'm gonna answer some questions. Anything. I'm gonna answer, country cousins questions first. Uh, let's see if we can get feel on the is right. Um, uh, looks like we're gonna get filled on the is. All right. Hopefully we can get filled on the is. So other blogs. No, you know what? I decided against doing educational questions, but we can have a discussion. There's nothing going on here today, news-wise. So this is absolutely going to be a garbage day. A garbage day in the sense that possibly we're not going to get very volatile moves. Let's have a look at gold. Yeah, I have absolutely no other setup than this pound US dollar short, long, I'm sorry, pound USD long. So this is going to be my focus for the day. And again, thank you for joining me, guys. I have to go, but if you're a VIP, you know that you're going to get my trade management stuff.